My name is Manus Quigg. I'm a partner in the litigation department specialising in resolving construction disputes. Adjudication is a process developed primarily for the construction industry whereby a man of skill is appointed and the parties set out their respective positions over a 28-day period, which results in a decision by the adjudicator which is binding until overturned by litigation, arbitration or agreement. Most disputes are suitable for adjudication, although the more complex they are and the more evidence involved, it's more difficult to achieve a resolution within 28 days, so the parties quite often have to extend that period by agreement. You've got to remember it's an interim decision designed to allow the project to continue to completion, and thereafter then there's either a substantive dispute or the parties will have resolved the dispute by that stage. You'll know if you can adjudicate because your contract will say so, you've expressly agreed at the start, or the Housing Grants Construction Regeneration Act will imply that into certain construction contracts. The message is, have certainty, always include the right in your contract. Adjudication is commonly used. There are 1,000 to 1,500 adjudications in the UK each year. The key benefits of adjudication are speed, in that you'll get a resolution within 28 days, and flexibility, because you can refer a small amount of the dispute to adjudication, thereby perhaps unlocking the major dispute, or alternatively you can refer perhaps the legal aspect of the dispute to a lawyer as an adjudicator to get a decision, and thereafter refer a second adjudication to a quantity surveyor to get a decision on quantum. The two key downsides of adjudication in my opinion are, first of all, that you generally don't get an award of expenses, so that does mean that some disputes are uneconomical to resolve by adjudication, and secondly that it's still an interim decision, so it may not always bring about a final resolution. It is however a very useful tool overall, and most disputes are actually resolved by adjudication and they are not appealed. We're genuine experts in our field. We've got a full suite of dispute resolution methods available to us. We'll work with the clients to establish what exactly they need to resolve the dispute in the most cost-effective way.